Man-made materials.
1.
Plastic. Plastic is a man-made material formed by organic polymers that can be molded into any shape, property called plasticity. Types of plastics are divided into two main groups based on how they react to heat. Type. Description. Examples and uses.
1.
Thermoplastic. Can be melted and remolded repeatedly. When heated, it softens, or when cooled, it hardens. Times PVC, pipes, handbags, raincoats. Times polythene, milk bags, carry bags. Times polypropylene, furniture, parts of speakers.
2.
Thermosetting. Once molded, they become hard and cannot be softened or reshaped by heating again. Times bakelite, electric switches, cooker handles. Times melamine, plates, trays, cup saucers. Times polyurethane, surfboards, furniture foam. B. Properties of plastic. Non-corrosive, does not rust or rot. Insulator, bad conductor of heat and electricity. Lightweight, easy to carry and durable. C. Environmental impact. Non-biodegradable, plastic does not decompose naturally and stays in the soil water for hundreds of years. Toxic fumes, burning plastic releases poisonous gases. The 4R principle, to manage plastic waste, follow. Reduce, use less plastic. Reuse, use bottles, bags again. Recycle, process waste plastic into new products. Recover, reclaim material or energy.
2.
Thermocol. Thermocol is a form of a complex material called polystyrene. A. Properties. It transforms into a liquid state at temperatures above 100 degrees Celsius. It is a good shock absorber, used to pack delicate electronics glass. It acts as an insulator of heat. B. Hazards of thermocol. Carcinogenic, it contains styrene, which can cause cancer if it comes in contact with food for long periods. Environment, it is non-biodegradable and difficult to destroy. Burning, releasing toxic fumes into the air. Note, avoid using thermocol plates or cups for hot food tea.
3.
Glass. Glass is a non-crystalline, hard, but brittle solid material. A. Production. The primary ingredient is silica, sand silicon dioxide, CO_2. A mixture of sand, soda, lime, and magnesium oxide is heated in a furnace at high temperatures, 850 degrees Celsius to 1500 degrees Celsius, and then cooled rapidly to form glass. B. Types of glass. Silica glass, made of pure silica. Highly heat resistant. Used in laboratory glassware. Borosilicate glass contains boric oxide. Does not crack on heating. Used for kitchenware and medicines. Alkali silicate glass, soluble in water, known as water glass. Lead glass, clear and shiny. Used for electric bulbs and crystal glass. Optical glass, used to make lenses for spectacles and microscopes. Colored glass, metal oxides are added to give color. Example, ferrous oxide makes it bluish green. See properties. Transparent, allows light to pass. Brittle, breaks easily into sharp pieces. Electrically insulating. Quick comparison, degradability. Material. Type. Effect on nature. Wood, cotton. Biodegradable. Decomposes easily, eco-friendly. Plastic, glass, thermocol. Non-biodegradable. Does not decompose, causes pollution. For more, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.